Hello, the circular queue in detail. Right. In this case, you will find the elements are such that there is the use of space after a certain stage in a specific manner. Now, these diagrams are explaining the work in full detail. Okay. Now, this is the final take, and here begins the explanation. So, this is actually the first case of explanation. What does it say? It says that I can see a full linear queue. Front marks the beginning of the list, rear marks the end of the list. Now, what happened after the list got full is quite a few pop operations took place. How many pop operations took place? Can you count and tell? Yes, 35 got popped out, 61 got popped out, after that 48, then 68, then 75. When all these elements got popped out, what happened was, here variable front came here. Variable rear was waiting there. After this stage, if a request of a new entry is given in the queue, how can the entry be done? Because entry will have to be done after rear. But rear is already at the end and there is no place after end to fill. Then the concept of reset actually comes. Had it been a linear queue, then it would have been applied with the reset operation. What is reset? Reset means bring the entire thing to the left. That means copy from here to here and then paste it in the positions from the beginning. That means bring it to the initial beginning of the list. That is called reset. That will involve left shift only to make the entire list shift to the left. Then front would come to 0 and rear would come to 5 and then the elements could be added at the end. But that will require a lot of movements and that will take a lot of time. So in order to immediately solve the problem, what the designers, the programmers who made it thought is, why not allow rear to come to the beginning and finish up fast? Only in this case, rear becomes smaller than variable front. That will make it faster and it will give it a look of circular. So a circular queue is a special case of queue in that front may become larger than rear, but that doesn't mean that the list begins from 0 all the time. List will begin from front, that is the first element will be present at front plus 1 and it will go till rear. If rear is not found at the end of this range, then go back from 0, look for rear and so many elements to be printed. Now this one I will show as the program, and when you see the program of circular queue, I think you will have to hear this video once again. Okay?